This to this. It's actually pretty simple, very simple. Just spray a couple coats on it and you should be set. So let's go ahead and get started on the process. Alright, so now that we got all these side markers off, we're gonna be using these. This is to, basically tint any like taillights or anything like that. So since I don't like the idea of tinted taillights because it's such a bad thing, because you're making your taillights look worse, we're gonna go ahead and just use this. You can pick this up at O'Reilly's for $10, and it's pretty cheap from what it is, and it's easy to remove with paint stripper, and it's easy to apply. You don't really need anything else but this. So what we're going to do first is get hot water or warm water, the hottest one that you get in the sink, and just place it in there and let it basically soak. I won't say soak, but like let it warm up to its temperature for a couple of minutes. We're going to go ahead and start cleaning these side markers real quick with soap and water, and then just dry it down with alcohol. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of, I won't say it's an install, but a preparation or how to DIY tint your side markers, somewhat tint. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this video helped you guys out. I'll put the link of the vinyl tint sealant, whatever it's called, in the description below, and peace out.